What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Caitlin Bay. Bay! And I'm back with a whole new video. Let's get it. So today, I'm gonna be, I guess, doing a hair unboxing review type thing. Yeah. So I ordered hair from Jaja Hair. Jaja Hair. Wait. So I ordered hair off of Jaja Hair, and I ordered a bob, 12-inch bob. It was like $60, I think, $61, something like that. And yeah, I opened it yesterday just to look to see, if my hair in there, and it is. So we're gonna open it again for y'all. You dig? Oh god. But yeah, so this is the box it comes in, okay? And it has this little Jaja Hair on the top, and then it has like all that right there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Wait. Alright, but so in this it comes with obviously the wig. It also comes with 2 wig caps. You dig? I love it here. And then her little card thing. Yeah. And then that's it. But it's pretty good because I didn't really expect much, Let's look and see. So this is 12 inches. Alright, boom. I never really had a bob before. I had a bob. Well, it was not really supposed to be a bob. It was like a longer, well, not a longer wig. It was like a 12, 14-inch wig, but it wasn't a bob. It was like regular straight hair. I really like it because it wasn't like a bob cut. Like, it was like, because it was like different lengths, so you couldn't really, it was weird. I had a bob though, but then I dyed it blonde. I can show you a picture. Look. Yeah, I dyed that blonde. I mean, I did like it though, because blonde looks good on me. I might dye this one blonde because I really don't like this wig. This is like my backup wig because I don't know, the lace like ends right there. That's really my wig when I don't feel like wearing my cute wigs, So yeah, but so here's the wig. Oh no, yeah, there we go. It's pretty cute. I don't know if I should try it on. But yeah, I tried it on last night. I was like, oh, I'm a baddie. But like, I never had a wig like a bob. Like, so I don't know. I'm kind of scared to wear it outside. But y'all want to see? Because I can put it on for y'all. You feel me? Like, because it's just, just take this off. But I can do that for y'all. You feel me? Okay. I'm going to do that. I don't know. I have this weird thing. Like, I don't like cutting off lace until I know I'm about to wear the wig. I'm really weird about that. I don't know why I do that, because it really doesn't matter when you cut the lace off, but it's just me. Like, I don't know, but you see, it's kind of cute. Like, you dig? I could dig it. You feel me? Like, oh, I'm gonna be cute this summer. Oh my gosh! Like, when I could get my eyebrows did, my nails done. My eyelashes on. Day. Okay. I'm your baddie, bro. Like, what? Who told me what? Nobody. Period. Oh, God. It just got mad dark. But, yeah. All I could do is, like, yeah. But, yeah. I like this. I like the texture. Like, the texture is mad nice. It's not too thin, not too thick. Like, and you know when I finesse this, it's gonna be mad cute. And then the part is perfect. Like, well, obviously I gotta bleach and stuff and all that extra stuff. But, like, the part is, like, straight. I like my parts to, like, right here, you know? And I got another wig from Jaja here. It's like curly and it's another bob, but it's like the really curly bob. I just never worn it. It's like it's at school still because I didn't get all my stuff yet. But it is what it is. But I really do like this. Like, and when I take off the lights and I actually put this on my head, I'm gonna be like, you can't mess with me, cause I'm the OG, and you feeling me. But no, I think so far I would recommend this. Like, and it was literally only $61. I'm looking at my Amazon note and it's telling me $40 now. That like when I clicked on the link to see the price again, it was telling me $40. I'm like, hold up, cause I know I ain't spent $61. And it's now 40 and I'm about to be more. But I don't know. But yeah, I do like this. So, you know, if I like fix it up a little, it'll be real cute. Like, real cute. And I'm gonna just be like, I feel like this is gonna have me mad bougie. Like, I'm gonna be like for real though. Like, for real. My head real big though. Real big. But I really like this. Yeah. But yeah, this is 12 inches. I'll probably put the link down below. So it's like right to your shoulder. It's kind of cute. And yeah, so that's about it, because I don't really know what else to talk about. Like, it feels real. There's no tangling, no shedding yet. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to order it, go order it. Jaja here. Okay, I'm out. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll be back with another video because, baby, this is quarantine. And I miss you. Okay. Peace.